Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarieng and today we are going to be doing a video color editing like the movie with CapCut PC. So let's get started.
The first thing, you open the CapCut and drag your video to the timeline. And then I decrease video speed to get the long video and look like the cinematic. And then we go to the filter to find the film filter to look like the movie. So I need to check first which one filter look like better. I will choose that. So this is good. I select this one. Okay, and then we will adjust color and so now we need to add more adjustment. Drag to the timeline. And I decrease the temperature to get the blue. And then I adjust thin. Increase or decrease. I decrease saturation. Okay, this is the result that we wanted. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.